Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install Capital.com application on your iOS device. So let's get started. First of all, open your App Store. Now go to the search icon at the bottom right and tap on it. In the search box at the top, type in Capital.com. Look for this application and tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your iOS. If prompted, you may need to log in with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Soon after you do that, you will start the download process. Wait for a couple of minutes, and once it is done, tap the Open button. And there you have successfully downloaded Capital.com on your iOS, quickly and easily. Now you're ready to explore trading opportunities anytime, anywhere. All you need to do is create an account and get started. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.